Today I want to share with you how I will be growing some okras. These are the Clemson Spanish okras from Ferrimores. I know it might be a little bit early to start sowing okra seeds. However, I just choose to do them at this time because, as you know, I am in the Sunshine State where the sun is always shining. But as for today, it's a little bit windy and overcast, but I am still going to go ahead and sow my okra seeds. All right, so now this is a tray that I have used in the past to sow some seeds, and I really don't like using them. For some reason I don't. So what I'm going to do today, I am just going to use this tray to get an impression, to get the right spacing to sow the seeds. So right now I'm just poking some holes in the area, down in there. Okay, right down in there. And then I will be just popping, oops, that one was shifted. I will just be popping in the seeds in these holes. It's not as good as how I want it, guys, but it can work. All right, so I have 24 holes here, and I am going to put 2 seeds in each of these holes. So that is going to be like 48 okra seeds. This one is giving me a little trouble. All right, there we go. All right, okay, I forgot to do this one. So I have the 24 holes right there. So now I'm going to get my okra seeds. Oops. Get my okra seeds, guys. So these are the okra seeds. I got them today at work. So I really didn't want to hesitate in starting the seeds. Last year I actually tried growing some okras from what I grew for myself. But it seems as if the seeds were too old, and I only got some okras about 3 inches in height. And I got like 1 okra from each of the plants. I actually got about 2 of the plants. So this year I'm starting them early, so just in case I do not have a great germination rate, I have enough time to redo it. All right, guys, let me see if I can get some more okras between these fingers. Sometimes it can be so awkward when you're trying to do these things by yourself with one hand, but we just have to learn how to multitask. Oh, and how to be flexible. All right, okay, still need one for that hole. All right, and I just have a few more left to go. Let me change hands again to see if I can get some more seeds up in there. Right, I think I have more than enough now to fill all the remaining holes. I only hope that I haven't doubled up on any of the holes. Oh my Lord. All right, so let me see if there's any in here. No, there's not. Okay, there we have it, guys. So these holes, they are about 1/2 inch deep. And that is all that we need to do. Just pop them in the holes, cover them, water them, of course. Oh my God. Water them in properly. And we will just leave the rest up to nature. I recently sowed about 5 seeds. Okay guys, let me show you. So on January 4th, I sowed 5 seeds. And those 5 seeds, I believe, were from the okras that I was telling you about that I got. And up until now, I haven't seen any of them pop the soil as yet. So I don't know what is happening, but let us just watch and see if these are actually going to germinate before the ones that was planted on January 4th. Alright guys, so there we have it. Okra times 48. And today is January 11th. Alright, so I will be seeing you soon when I will be checking up on the progress of these okra seeds. It's been 7 days since the okra seeds have been sown, and I can see 2 seeds pop in the soil already. I believe the reason why I am not seeing more as yet is because for the past few days it has been very, very chilly here in Florida. I keep bragging about the Sunshine State, but yes, we do have some chilly days occasionally, which I am actually enjoying right now. All right, so in a few days I will be coming back to see what's happening with the okras. All right guys, I will see you then. This is how the okras look after 9 days. They are about 3/4 of an inch high. I don't know why they have that greenish yellowish color. I'm not sure what is happening to them, but I am grateful that looks like about 95% of them has germinated. No, not 95, because there's actually 48 okras in there, and I don't think I am seeing 48 okras as yet. Alright, so let's wait and see what's going to happen, guys. It is kind of chilly now. Yes, and the rain is coming, so I'll see you soon. Bye.